Okay, I know you've been seeing these awesome photos, these AI videos with selfies with your favorite celebrities. I'm going to show you how to do it with sports figures. It's super cool. I have the prompt here. POV, close-up selfie shot, a realistic high-quality photo of the person. Don't change the clothes, making fun, confident selfie poses while holding a gold iPhone 16 toward the camera. This is the most important part of the prompt, and I'll make sure I share this. Maintain the exact same person with identical facial features, facial structure, head size, and so on. So you want to make sure that here in Google Gemini, you make 2 photos. You want to make sure the clothes are the same. This is my first photo. This is with Myles Garrett. And this is my first photo with Shedeur Sanders. And then I have a second photo with Myles Garrett. I'm going to show you how to put these 2 together in a video. So now you want to go over to Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, I've already uploaded the 2 videos. You want to make sure it's set to frames to video. When you upload these photos, you want to make sure that they are portrait size. So it's going to show you landscape to start off with. You want to go portrait size, crop, and save. Okay? So now that you're here, let me go grab the prompt that needs to go here. All right, and here is the finished output. I'm going to walk you through it. So here is my prompt. All right, so you take this prompt. A seamless cinematic long take. The camera follows a woman as she finishes a photo with a player. Then she naturally turns and walks toward the right. The camera tracks her movement with a smooth gimbal-like motion. Her walk is consistent and confident. Upon meeting with the next player, she slows down and stops gracefully, raising her phone with a bright smile to take a selfie with 2 players. The scene transition is natural and smooth with a seamless connection. So I'm going to copy and paste this. My Google Flow is set to give me 2 options. If I don't like either of these options, which I'll go ahead and show. Really good, but let's see what it does. I want you to see you go through the whole thing. So frames to video, you want to make sure that you upload that one, and then you grab the second one, and you let her rip. These are so fun to create. Again, we're using individuals' likeness, so just make sure you keep it above grade. I wouldn't take any weird, odd poses with people. Just, keep it fun and light from an ethical and integrity perspective. Again, we are using their likeness for these. They're fun for us. We don't want to put them because they are humans. We don't want to put them in compromising situations in the photos and the video. So keep it fun, keep it cute, keep it light, okay? Because AI is intended to be used for good, not for evil. We not gonna listen, I've seen some crazy stuff online. Let's not be the person who uses my instruction to do crazy stuff, okay? Keep it on the up and up. And as that is coming to fruition, let's see what this one looks like. That's so fun. Let's see the second one. I like the first 2 better, but this is so fun. All right, and that's how you do it. You can switch out the prompts to football players, baseball players, basketball players. Make sure you're changing the scene along with the person. It could be an actor, it can be an artist. If the tool does not allow you to use that individual, then it's going to tell you no, for copyright purposes, we cannot use such, and you got to respect that. Try somebody else. All right, that was super fun. Tell me what you think in the comments, and I love to see what you create.